here. Oh, hold on, wait. My waves is kind of going. Oh my goodness, hold up. Ooh, baby. Oh, baby, a triple. Yo, we're back. Fucking 9:17. Market's about to open up in like 15 minutes. Brown hoodie on. That's how you know I'm locked in. Oh shit, I just opened up Steam by accident. Yeah, I did. Oops. Alright, cool. Bada bing, bada boom, trading view. Let's get this pre-market. I got food that's about to finish cooking in like 5 minutes, so I'm about to run and get that in a second. But until then, let's open everything that I need. Forex Factory, cool. Boom, 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 boom. Cool, so we had 9 a.m. news already. We got 9:45, and then we have FOMC at 2 p.m. So we're not going to play. I mean, I don't trade FOMC PM session, so we're just going to see if there's something in AM session. Trump revises threat to sue Powell for gross incompetence. Okay, Trump saying random shit. Don't give a fuck. All right, cool. Still have this high time frame daily SMT from yesterday. We did come down. We did not touch the weekly gap though. We came all the way down here, retraced up. Let's see. On the 4 hour, we kind of reacted off of this. I guess this would technically be an order block, 4 hour order block. Cool. Okay. So what do we have here? No SMT or anything. Okay, cool. No SMT. It looks like we just been chopping though. Like yesterday came down, and then all PM session looks like yesterday just kind of chopped around and stayed in this range. So we don't have too much new. We still have these lows below us in that 4 hour gap if we wanted to fill it completely, or this like new week opening gap if we wanted to come down and fill this completely. Right now on the 4 hour, is there any gaps? There is still this like 4 hour sliver up here. So right, let me see. Yeah, so technically this would be a 4 hour unfilled. ES has the same joint. Yeah, ES has the same one. Or almost the same one. 4 hour gap in a similar area. Let's go down to the hourly. This could go either way probably. These equal highs. High 6995. 6994. So these are relative equal highs. This is still, these are kind of fire for ES, but on NASDAQ, okay, so this is an SMT. So let me just take that out. It is relative equal highs, but this was an SMT here, which sent us down. Now that we took out some liquidity though, technically we could come back up here. But if we're gonna come up here, we're probably just gonna end up targeting the 4 hour gap, but I will put these highs here. I'll put a little text on the right of this. 4 hour unfilled. Cool. All right. Okay, wow, yeah. Okay, so we did just chop on the hourly. We still have this hourly gap up here that we did tap into yesterday. Looks like we came back up and tapped into it after in the PM session as well. And we also rejected bearish. We are generating quite a bit of liquidity up here. I'm not going to lie. These highs look kind of enticing. But we also looks like we have some lows getting generated down here as well. Any SMTs that are crazy? Looks like we did make an SMT at this low, so we just made one. Before that, there was nothing. No SMT before that. Okay, so let's go on the 30-minute chart. Peep these highs and lows. Oh, good lord. Okay, yeah, so hold on. Fuck my food. I might have to lock in right now. This looks nice. No cap. Hold up. First, I need to real quick take this shit off. What are we doing as far as 30-minute gaps? We held this one twice. Then we created an SMT at which low? This low right here. SMT right here inside of this 30-minute gap. We did inverse this on the 1 hour. We're inside of a 30-minute gap. We just created an SMT. We have Asia highs. Are we disrespecting bullish gaps in any way? There was this gap to the left of us we disrespected. We're gonna have to see how we close this. As far as 9:30 open, let's mark out the rest of these liquidity levels because we do have quite a few intact. We have Asia highs and lows. Asia highs, Asia lows. ES still has London lows intact. NASDAQ took out London lows, created an SMT. We also have London highs up here as well, stacked with Asia highs. Cool. Everything still lines up on the 15-minute. Cool. Take this off. All right, 15-minute. What do we see still? We still have, and then we have this 15-minute gap down here that we ultimately respected as well. So we came down into a 15-minute gap. We're also in a 30-minute gap. We created an, oh, sorry. I don't know if this is perfectly pointed towards my voice or not, but we created an SMT off this low. We're pushing lower now. 5-minute. .75. I'm very bullish here. Very bullish. Let me see if there's any. Is there something bearish here? Just oh, did we create an SMT at these highs? Okay, so ES made equal highs, while NASDAQ made an SMT. We took out these lows and then made an SMT at the lows. So we do have SMT at the highs up there. Just because we are chopping around on the higher time, well, on all time frames, but since we're printing a bunch of dojis on the higher time frame, we could also still be bearish down to these lows. So we do want to try and not jump the gun. this might be too good. 15-minute gap, SMT, retrace to the 15-minute gap, and then inversion. I'm gonna go grab my food, watch the market on my phone. I'll be right back. Peep the eats. Taco ground beef with little onions in there. Fucking hash browns. Fucking warm that shit up. Fire. Okay, so we're dumping. Let's see. Are we gonna close below all these gaps? Yes. Okay. So let me take these out. Oh wow. Oh fucking wow. 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 So double SMT. Well, like triple SMT, really. We SMT'd not only these lows, but also came down here, didn't sweep out that low to the left, but then swept it out with the next low, create a low time frame SMT, and then create another low time frame one here. We didn't really respect this gap, but if we stay here for the 3-minute close, I might take it. See what happens, just because the market's really moving.
Order
I'm
filled.
entering that. Oh, I kind of hesitated, so I just got a bad fill. Oh. Oh my god, we're bearish, huh? If we retake this high, I'm back to break even. If we retake these. Fuck, why did I hesitate so much? Shit, man. Literally my fill is like where like up here by these highs, bro. Fuck. Oh, maybe I should have just exited there because of the bad fill. Because right now I'm $300 in drawdown just where we're sitting at right here. This is not that good. Ugh. But this draw up here is super. I think we're going for it, honestly. Oh my god. Let's see what we do. We're about to stop me out.
Order filled.
Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, so minus 761 on that one. All right, let's see. Fuck, bro. Oh, that fill was terrible. That's the only thing I'm mad about. I'm not really mad about this trade. Let me see, because there's still a chance here. What's going on? Let's see, what is going on here on the 1 minute? We're creating SMTs at the highs. Bro, why did I not pay attention? I could have closed that right here. I mean, I was barely in profit, but I could have closed it while I seen the SMT. Why am I was worried too much about my position. Okay. Focus on the chart. Focus on the chart. Okay. ES is still above London lows. NASDAQ is still below them. lost more money than I needed to there, bro. Well, okay. 30-minute like sliver up here. It's 15-minute gap for sure. We rejected off the 15-minute gap one time. We inversed this 15-minute and this 30-minute. We went and tapped into it right off the open. Now we're creating more price action there. Yeah, we made an SMT at these highs while going into a 15-minute gap this way. Yeah, okay. 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 My fault. Well, locked in enough. Okay, London highs just got taken out. So, at the moment, there's no SMT. At the lows anymore. There is a very low time frame SMT right there though. So, I mean, and we haven't swept Asian lows on NASDAQ, so if we can get a nice little inversion right here, I'd take it down to these lows. That's what we're delivering to. But the way this price action's looking, we probably won't get an entry. Nasdaq took Asia. That means we have a SMT at Asia lows now. And that also means that this previous SMT over here is now complete. I can't believe I got tricked into that trade. Bro, I'm an idiot. Even looking at this now. 9:30 open, PO3, hello? Like, straight up manipulation, distribution down into a 15-minute. We close below this gap. Then we manipulate up into this 15-minute gap that we're rejecting off of a 15-minute gap while inversing this one. We come back up into this one, create an SMT. Like, bro, there's not really, even on the 30-second, there's no like inversion. So I probably wouldn't necessarily take this short, but I could have got out of this long. Like, this isn't a long I should be taking with all of this going to the downside and all these bearish confluences. Just chill the fuck out. I just seen the market moving fast. I seen these stack highs up here. They got me. It got me. I can't lie. So now SMT here. Right? Yeah. Let's see if ES is gonna go down and take these out. This is kind of obvious too, like when you look at it. I mean, this just blinded me, all of this fucking, all these good levels up here, but I mean, when you simply just look at, we retrace into a 15-minute gap and then close below this one, it's just like, bro, obviously it's bearish. Obviously. And then 9:30 open, high, low, like, come on. Come on. All right, this 15-minute did just open up, though. Come on, don't come all the way up and not give me an entry. That's fucked up. That would be fucked up. take this CISD. Nah. Nah, I just don't like it. This could just, of course, it could go straight up, but it's just like, fuck, bro. Oh well. There's no entry here. If I wanted to enter off this CISD, I could have, but I really liked an entry down here to get break even at like one of these highs, but entry here, break even at the highs here would have been nice. Let's put the position tool here. I don't know, maybe I should just... Well, I would be stopped at a break even just now if I took that. ES took out these Asian highs, London highs, so if we react bearish here, it's an SMT. Also, where is midnight open? Oh, midnight open is Asia highs pretty much. Okay. Okay. Well, Nasdaq's taking it out. Damn. But there might be no other trade today. Fuck, I got cooked. Fuck, dude. Damn, I got fucked today. Alright. Alright. Okay, so we took out these next highs as well. On the hourly now, we're kind of back up in this hourly gap up here that we've tapped into a few times. But it's fully filled already. So, but this was an area that we might reject off of. Let's see what we do off 10 a.m. open. I'm probably bullish here. We took this out, right? This is 20. Oh shit. Let me see. 25,774.50. Yeah, by 0.25 we took it out. Okay. Okay. So 10 a.m. open. block right here. That's where that previous gap was that we just inversed. There's also these 5-minute gaps here, here. Seeing if we tap into here. We're also inside of this 5-minute gap, so really I'm just looking for a clean reaction, and I'd probably take this long. Yeah, because I want to leave kind of the fear of trading in the past. Yeah, I just took a loss, but if I see a good setup, I want to be able to pull the trigger on it. I mean, I really could have just pulled the trigger down here, and I still would have made some. I would have made some profits going up to these highs, Asia highs. But whatever. I'm not here to complain. Talking about trades that I missed. I just want to treat these prop firms for what they're actually worth, and not take a million years to pass them. But right now, what do we have? We have an open at 10 a.m. open low, or inside a 5-minute gap right now. This line represents this 30-minute order block right here. We also are creating an SMT as we speak with these lows. So we tapped into this 30-minute order block. Tap in the order block. We don't quite take out this low yet. bullish bias. We have this 4-hour unfilled all the way up here at this high. We did just barely sweep out Asia. Is this Asia highs? No, this is just a intermediate high. Show up on that. Yeah, this is just an hourly high. Maybe we're not bullish here. Let's just see. Let's just wait and see what the market does. Because, I mean, we do have an SMT at the high, SMT at the low. We're retracing to a point of interest in this 30-minute order block. We're also, this 5-minute gap here as well. Okay, so the SMT we took out. So no SMT right now. Only this higher time frame one. Which technically, since we swept out this high, this SMT might be done as well. I'm going to keep it marked out just for the sake of it, but oh, and we created an SMT off these hourly highs? Yeah, we did. Okay, so take these out. We created an SMT off these hourly highs. Yeah, I don't know. Also tapped in this 15-minute order block as well. Looks like ES is a lot more bearish. 15-minute candle just going straight down. See if we disrespect all these 5-minute gaps. We're just dumping, yeah. Wow. SMT. But all these 5-minute gaps are getting disrespected here. The next macro just opened up. This is not a good trade. Unless we... Nah. I just don't want to take a trade that I'm going to regret. That's the only thing. This setup looks decent right here. There is a 30-minute or 30-second inversion that might happen. We did open low. Five-minute gap up here. We're about to close this one.
Order filled.
Cool. Oh shit, we didn't even inverse this gap.
Order filled.
Oh my god. Oh, I forgot there's a daily loss limit on alpha. Fuck. I forgot there's a daily loss limit on alpha, bro. Okay. It's my fault. I took a trade I really didn't need to anyway. I mean, I was going to close it out that second anyway. That's disappointing, man. Okay. Whatever. I'm going to see if this trade would play out or not, or if I would have got burned regardless. Is this break even? Let me see. These equal highs? Can't even check. Well, would have been break even now. TP. Ouch. Ouch. Fuck, bro. Oh, fuck, alpha. Oh my god, I'm used to trading top step where there's no daily loss limit. That's fucking annoying as shit. Alright, let's look at this shit. $1,000. What's the balance at? So I'm at 900. I got still $1,000 of drawdown left. Oh my gosh, that's hard. That sucks. I mean, first trade I just over leveraged because I got a bad fucking fill. That sucks. That sucks really bad. Okay. Okay. That's like a gut punch. That's so fucking annoying. That's so. Oh my god, that's so homosexual. Oh my god. And if I trailed my stop, we would have hit. We would have got a little extra out of it too. There's a short opportunity too, right there. Oh, I'm gonna just put the position there, forward test that, but fuck, bro. Damn, that hurts. That hurts right there. Okay. Oh, won't make that mistake again. There's a daily loss limit on fucking alpha futures. Jesus Christ. Okay. See if this plays out just because there's a 30-second inversion here. This is this is not an SMT. I probably wouldn't take this. Actually, now that I look at it. But I mean, 5-minute gap here. We're obviously delivering bearish now. There's an SMT at the highs. Yeah, this is not bad actually. Only thing it doesn't have is an SMT, which I usually like to see, but the way these lows are set up and the way we're delivering, especially with this candle, I take this because these lows are pretty good. I mean, we're most likely gonna take out at least like these lows, so we can be break even. If you really wanted to play safe, you could be break even right now at these lows right here. Because here, I'll pull it over. Since they're already fucking daily loss limited out. Fucking bullshit. Is this, here, I'll put it right like this. It's this 30-second inversion right here. This gap. Let's watch it over here. So, yeah. And then we also have the 10-15 open. Open, low. Made that high. So here you're either still in it or you're stopped at a break even. But I would still be in this probably if I had taken this trade. I would probably put my break even point here for us to see out eventually these lows probably down here because Maybe this won't go down. This might just go against me here. Am I doing this for cope? Is me put in this position just watching it like solving my fucking over trading habits? I mean, I could fucking pay for more accounts right now and go in, but I'm not going to. Ugh, because it's just one day, but fuck, that fucking sucks ass. Whatever. I'm probably going to come into tomorrow. I think I'm going to start trading these alpha accounts. Like, I might risk this much tomorrow, bro. No cap. I might just... Not tomorrow. Maybe. We'll see. I think I just want to start waiting for better setups, bro. I've been jumping the gun a little bit recently. I'll take a good setup and then take a bad setup and then take a good setup and then take a bad setup. So I think the next setup I actually take a trade on, I want to be really confident in and just risk it. And just not risk it, but put heavy risk on. That's what I mean by that. At this point, I'm still in the trade. I'll probably, if we're going to retake this low, I'm going to go break even probably after that. So I'd be break even now. If we're going to reject off this low, then I'll be stopped out of break even. Okay, so I'd be stopped out break even here on this trade. Oh, God. That's ass. Alright, well, I'm just going to get off the charts. I think I'm going to go buy some Apex accounts, not for... or what is it called? Buy some Apex accounts for the future. Because they're running hella sales right now. I think I'm going to buy a few, especially because Apex accounts are super cheap. And then even with the activation, 50Ks and 100Ks are like $80. So I'm going to invest in some of those. So I can start stacking that. I do want to dabble with trading Asia. So I think I'm going to buy a few accounts, maybe... I think I'm going to buy 5. Let me check. I'll have to see my bank account and make sure, I'm not fucking overspending because I'm literally not profitable right now. But I do believe that I can do it. Like, I can do this shit. So probably buy some Apex accounts, see what's up with those over the next week. Besides that, I'm probably just going to get off for the day. Let me export these trades into TradeZilla. Cool. first trade. I'm going to get into more of the details of it in my weekly recap if I need to. But this is like, look at this fucking fill. Terrible. Holy shit. Holy hesitation. I should have been in here. If not, I don't know. Wait until the next candle close or something. Get in on a candle close. If you're not, whatever. I was about to say, like, if you're not in, don't take the trade, but that's not a good rule to live by. Or what was Asia at the time? Asia highs were here at the time, I believe. Oh, I took this off right here. Because these are the hourly intermediate highs, so. Or put this right here at a 1-to-1. So I just put my stop loss down there and then put my TP at a 1-to-1 up here. Right above Asia. Cool. Fuck. Ugh. I'm just gonna say got faked out off. Oh shit. I got my caps lock on. Got faked out off market open, comma, bad fill, plus SMT at the highs equals should've closed. Did not realize SMT. That's why I lost. Got faked off the market open. Got a bad fill. There's SMT at the highs, and I should have closed. Like, because for a second, you can see here on this candle, we did wick back up into a place where I was back at break even. What I need to do when I'm like, oh, I'll close it at break even, instead of trying to time it, I just need to put my TP like right here. I keep like, whenever I say, oh, I'm gonna go break even, like I need to make the decision and put my TP at break even instead of like trying to magically close or place a stop loss down here and move it up. Like, I don't need to be doing all that. And this one, it doesn't show yet, but 5-minute unfilled above, 1 minute buy right here. Besides that, this is a decent trade. It's not the most like fucking, this is A+++, but honestly, these shorts to back to these 5-minute gaps are kind of what I like to take. I'm not gonna lie. They have a pretty high win rate for me, so I like to take them. But stop that, dude. This one that's the one that hurts the most right there, bro. I'm not even gonna cap. That shit fucking sucks. This one. trade? What time did I enter the trade? Entry time 10:20. Or if I wanted to stop at a 1-to-1. Oh my gosh. I'm about to go crazy. No, but this is good. This is a good trade. So, I mean, I should be happy that my trade would have hit TP had I not got daily loss limited, but that's frustrating. It's pretty frustrating right there. But that's okay. Shit happens. Shit happens. Cool. Yeah, but I'm gonna wrap it up there. I appreciate y'all for watching. I'll be back tomorrow. Tune in at the end of the week for the weekly recap. Have a great day.